Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're going to be brewing delicious, bitter-free and flavorful cold brewed coffee using the Hario Shizuku Slow Drip Brewer. The Hario Slow Drip Brewer uses two vases with world-renowned glass that is heat-proof treated glass and very durable against temperature shocks and breakages. The coffee filter basket is a stainless steel mesh filter basket, which is ideal for lifelong wear and tear, and it's very easy to keep clean. In the middle of the two glass containers is a rubber stopper with a plug that dictates the drip rate. Now the Shizuku is a fixed dripper, with the drip rate starting off fast and then slowing down gradually with less water in the top chamber. So let's get started brewing with the Shizuku dripper. All we're going to need is 70 grams of coffee beans ground to a medium fine grind, and that's between salt and sugar. This is an important factor with the Shizuku dripper, as it doesn't rely on you adjusting any drip rate. Rather, if you have your coffee ground too coarse, the water will flow through too fast, making a weak brew. Or if your coffee's ground too fine, your coffee may act as a plug and the water may never filter through to the bottom, which will make a huge mess across your counter. So grind setting is fairly important in using the Shizuku dripper. And with this, I've got 750 ml of chilled filtered water. Now coffee will generally soak up twice its own weight in water, hence why I'm pouring in 750 ml of water to get a 600 ml brew out. And once your beans are ground, pour them into the steel filter basket. Then you want to add some water on top of the grinds here and give it a gentle stir. And this helps get the brewing happening more consistently from the start. On top of your grinds, add a paper filter, and this helps distribute the water evenly across the grounds during brewing. Next, place the filter on top of the carafe, and then make sure the little plug in the rubber stopper at the bottom of your water vessel is well pushed in. If not, your drip rate will be way too fast and you're likely to end up with a weak brew. Once that's done, begin adding water into the top vessel. Pop the lid on and leave the Shizuku Slow Drip Brewer to do its thing. Now it should take around 1 to 2 hours for the water to empty through to the bottom chamber. For a cold drip coffee, I'll enjoy drinking straight, but you can have it over ice, watered down, or throw some of your favourite milk into it for a tasty iced latte. Just remember to remove the filter before serving, and you can keep the cold brew in the carafe for up to 2 weeks in the fridge for a convenient coffee whenever you like. In cleaning the Shizuku, it is dishwasher safe and you can discard the grounds easily and rinse out the metal filter to use for next time. But that's the Shizuku Slow Drip Brewer for you. It's really easy to use and keep clean. It makes great drip coffee for you that you can drink whenever you want. If you have any questions on it, throw a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We'll get straight back. And by hitting that bell icon on your screen, you'll subscribe to this channel and get notifications when we bring out videos just like this one every week. Until then, take care of yourselves.